Wig Studio One YouTube channel. This is Taz. Happy New Year to everyone. Today we're going to discuss a new style by Belle Tress in their City collection. This is Barcelona in the color Macadamia Latte R. You're not going to want to miss these details in this beautiful layered long style. You can find it right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video and expand the description box, we'll attach a direct product link in the description. If you click on that link, it will take you right out to the site where you can see all of the colors and pricing. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Our very own Andrea Carlson does live presentations every week. Belle Tress always seems to nail the layering on their long styles, and recently they've been coming out with a lot of new bangs. They're easy, they're comfortable, they're out of the way, yet still elegant and stylable. So Barcelona starts with that 4 to 5 inch fringe, and it just kind of sweeps off to the side of the eyebrow. Now I'm about 3 to 3.5 between my hairline and my brow, and I could go in and trim this if I wanted a straight across look. Now this style overall is about 18 to 20 inches, and it's a really nice light density. There's very little to no permatease. It has a beautiful natural look, and the ability to style this in some elegant updos is just perfect. You can go from casual to glamorous in a heartbeat. While I show you an inside look at the cap, we're going to get up close on this lace front. I love the new City collection for the lace features. It's an extended lace front that goes back through the ear tab. It's a very nice fine grid process there. On this one, it has a left monofilament side part. You can definitely see through to the illusion of scalp all the way back to the hind crown, which is also a plus. They don't stop short. And that just gives that beautiful contour, beautiful natural looking contour all the way around. Now, if you wanted to build in some volume, you could do that using heat. This is a heat-friendly fiber by Belle Tress. It's soft, silky, and buttery. Each one of the fibers is really fine as well. It only weighs about 5 ounces. And for a long style like this, this really tells you that it's light density, more of a natural looking density, and low permatease. So let's chat briefly about this Macadamia Latte R. It starts with a nice light golden brown, and then it's highlighted with 2 different colors. I see a gold blonde, which is a little warm, and then I also see a lot of ash blonde in there, which is on the cool side. So that's going to make this a nice neutral color. Now, I still look at this as being a brunette, a highlighted brunette, light brunette, but many of you may see this as a blonde, and I think it could work out either way. Now, there is a root on this one. It's really easy to forget there is a root just because it adds dimension without being too stark. It's very subtle with a beautiful transition.